Good morning class 4. Today we are going to learn the chapter 3 of class 4, that is the northern and the coastal plains. And in previous lecture what we have learned about? We have learned about the northern plain. But in this lecture we have learned about the coastal plain. What do you understand by the term coast? What is coast? Coast means the part of the land that adjoining or near the sea that are called the coast. This is the sea and that is adjoining or the near the land, that is the sea. So this place is called the coast. And what do you understand by the term coastal plain? Means it is the plain land that lies along the coast, in the coastal plains. So look at first map. In page number 27, look at here this map 3.2. In this, here these our map of India. And there is the Ghats. There is the Western Ghat and the Eastern Ghat. So here the coastal plains that are grey in color. See this light grey in color. These all shaded parts are called the coastal plains. ये जो shaded part है इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? That is the coastal plains. These plains stretch from Gujarat to West Bengal. See, in the west there is Gujarat and in the east there is West Bengal. So these plains stretch. Here, look at the map. Here is the. So it is stretched from that Gujarat to West Bengal in the east. So it is straight from that. Now here these are the coastal these are all the coastal plains. Okay, it is straight from Gujarat to West Bengal. कहाँ तक है ये? गुजरात से West Bengal. The coastal plain meet at Kanyakumari. So this is the southernmost tip that touch the mainland of India. That is called the Kanyakumari. That is called the Kanyakumari. So this can meet. This can meet means the two coastal plains are there. The coastal plains is divided into the two parts. That is the western coastal plains and eastern coastal plains. Eastern coastal plains. So here are the western coastal plains. This is which? Western coastal plains. And this green color, that is the eastern coastal plain. That are eastern coastal plains. So both they meet at a point that is called the two coastal plains. First is the western coastal plains and the second one is the eastern coastal plain. They meet at a point that is called, उस point को क्या बोलेंगे? That is called the Kanyakumari. Both the plains they meet at Kanyakumari. Kanyakumari, this is the southernmost tip of India that touch the mainland, not including the island. Okay, so they meet the western coastal plain and the eastern coastal plain. It meet on the tip that is called the Kanyakumari, and the plain that is the west side, this coastal plain, and this is in the east side. And here is the Arabian Sea, and in the west what is Arabian Sea, and in the east that is the Bay of Bengal. And at the south, which ocean are there? Indian Ocean. So, and these are the ghats. There is the Western Ghat, and here is the Eastern Ghat. So, how many coastal plains are there? There are two coastal plains. That is the Western coastal plains and the Eastern coastal plains. First, what is plain? What is the coastal plains? That the plain land that lie along the coast. It lie along the coast is called the coastal plain. And what is the coast? The part of the land that adjoining or nearby the sea. जो कि sea या इसके इसमें पास में या तो joining, that is the nearby the sea. What is the coast? The part of the land that adjoining or near the sea, that is the coast. And what are the coastal plains? Coastal plains is the plain that lie along the coast is the coastal plains. So the coastal plains is divided into the two parts, that is the western coastal plains and the eastern coastal plains, and it is stretched from Gujarat to West Bengal. ये कहाँ से लेके कहाँ तक है? It is stretched from Gujarat to West Bengal in the east. Now we learn about the first plain, Western coastal plains. Now the coastal plains first. It is divided into how many parts? Two parts. That is the western coastal plains and eastern coastal plains. Now what we learn? We learn about the first, that is the western coastal plains. अब हम किसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे? That is the western coastal plains. Now you see, these are the map. Now it is stretched from Gujarat to Kerala. This is the Gujarat, and this is the Kerala. So it is stretched from Gujarat to Kerala, which the western coastal plains. The western coastal plains. So this is stretched from Gujarat to Kerala. Gujarat to Kerala, and that lies between, here is what? The Arabian Sea. Here is the Arabian Sea, and here is the Western Ghat. The Western Ghat. So it lies between, ये बीच में है, that is the Arabian Sea and the Western Ghat. It lies between the Arabian Sea and the Western Ghat. ये किसके बीच में है? ये अरेबियन सी और वेस्टर्न घाट के बीच में these are the coastal plains. These are the western coastal plains, and it is stretched from Gujarat to Kerala, and it lies between the Arabian Sea and the Western Ghat. It lies between the Arabian Sea and the Western Ghat. Clear? Now, it divided into the three parts. How many parts? It divided into the three parts. How many parts? Three parts. They further divided it into the three parts. The first is Gujarat coast. Second is Konkan coast. And the third is Malabar coast. And the third one is Malabar coast. So what we learn? We learn about the coastal plains. It is divided into the two parts. That is the western coastal plains and the eastern coastal plains. And in western coastal plains, it lies from Gujarat. It is stretched from Gujarat to Kerala, and it lies between the Arabian Sea and the Western Ghat. It lies between the Arabian Sea and the Western Ghat, and it is further divided into the three parts. How many parts? It is further divided into the three parts. That is the Gujarat coast, Konkan coast, and the Malabar coast. What is Gujarat coast, Konkan coast, and the Malabar coast? Now, in this Malabar coast, what are found? Lagoon and backwaters. Lagoons and the backwaters are found in that Malabar coast. See here. See in map 3.2, that is the red line, that is called the western coastal plains, and it is stretched from Gujarat to Kerala in the south. And these coastal plains, these western coastal plains, it further divided into the three parts. That is the Gujarat coast, and here is Konkan coast. Here, which city is located in the Konkan coast? That is the Mumbai. Okay, and this last is the Malabar coast. Malabar coast here, Bengaluru, Kochi. These are in the Malabar coast. So the western coast is divided into the three parts. How many parts? Three parts. The Gujarat coast, the Konkan coast, and the Malabar coast. Now, what is this? Here all these are the western coastal plains. You look at more clear. That is the Gujarat coast. Then Konkan coast, and the last one is the Malabar coast. You understand about it? What we learn? We learn about the coastal plains. Okay, what we learn? We learn about the coastal plains. What are the coastal plains? The plain land that lie along the coast, that is called the coastal plains. And the coastal plains, how many coastal plains are there? It is divided into two parts. That is the western coastal plains and the eastern coastal plains. The western coastal plains means these are the western coastal plains. Okay, and these coastal plains, ये जो coastal plains है, it is stretched from Gujarat to West Bengal in the east. This coastal plain is stretched from Gujarat Gujarat in the west and to West Bengal in the east. Now if we talking about the western coastal plains, because these coastal plains is divided into the two parts, that is the western coastal plains and the eastern coastal plains. The western coastal plains, it is straight from Gujarat to Kerala. It is straight from Gujarat to Kerala and it lie between, where it lie? It lie between the West Arabian Sea and the Western Ghat. ये किसके बीच में? Western Ghat. Here west side में कौन सी घाट है? That is the Western Ghat and this is Arabian Sea. So the western coastal plains that lie between the Western Ghat and the Arabian Sea. And one more thing, both the coastal plains, the western coastal plains or the eastern coastal plains, they meet at a point. They meet at a point that is called the Kanyakumari. That is called the Kanyakumari. That is the southernmost tip of India. Now, what we learn about the western coastal plains? That it is straight from Gujarat to Kerala, and the western coastal plains are divided into how many parts? 3 parts. That is the Gujarat coast, the Konkan coast, the Malabar coast. See, the coastal plains that is divided into 2 parts, that is eastern coastal plains and western coastal plains. And the western coastal plains further divide into 3 parts, that is the Gujarat coast, the Konkan coast and the Malabar coast. Okay, and what here the coastal plains that is straight from Gujarat to West Bengal and Gujarat to West Bengal, all eastern and western coastal plains. And these, if we talk about only western coastal plains, then it is straight from Gujarat to Kerala. Okay? Now, and these Malabar coast, what they are found? In Malabar coast, there are the backwater. What is the backwater? Backwaters are found along the Malabar coast. So like network of lake, that is the backwater. Now we learn about the eastern coastal plains. What we learn? We learn about the eastern coastal plains. The eastern coastal plains that lie between this side. This is the eastern coastal plains. Eastern coastal plains. It lies between Eastern Ghat and Bay of Bengal. It lies between, where it lies? Here is the Eastern Ghat, because these are in the east side. That is the Ghats are there. So this is the Eastern Ghat, and what is in the west? In the east, that is the Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal. So where it lie? It lie between किसके बीच में? the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. It lies between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. And it is stretched from, ये कहाँ से कहाँ तक है? It is stretched from West Bengal. It is stretched from West Bengal to Tamil Nadu. Where? To Tamil Nadu. ये कहाँ से कहाँ तक है? It stretches from West Bengal to Tamil Nadu. Okay, it stretches from West Bengal to Tamil Nadu, and where its location? It lies between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. Where it lies? It lies between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. What is the Bay of Bengal? And it is divided into two parts. How many parts? The Eastern Coastal Plains is divided into two parts. That is the northern part or the northern part or the southern part or the southern part. The Eastern Coastal Plains is further divided into the two parts, that is the northern part and the southern part. The northern part, what we call, that is the northern circles. What is circles? Northern circles. And the southern part, that is called the Coromandel coast. That is called the Coromandel coast. Northern part, that is called the northern circles, and the southern part, that is called the Coromandel coast. So in this video, what we learn? We learn about the coastal plains, and the coastal plains are further divided into the two parts, that is the Western Coastal Plains and the Eastern Coastal Plains. The Western Coastal Plains that lie where? That lie Arabian Sea, between Arabian Sea and the Western Ghats, and the Eastern Coastal Plains that lies between the Bay of Bengal and the Eastern Ghats. It lies between. Okay. Now the Western Coastal Plains, it is stretched from Gujarat to Kerala, and the Eastern Coastal Plains, it is stretched to West Bengal to Tamil Nadu. Now the third point, the Western Coastal Plains, it is further divided into the three parts, that is the Gujarat coast, the Konkan coast and the Malabar coast. And the Eastern Coastal Plains is further divided into the two parts, that is the Northern Circles and the Coromandel coast. Clear? Now what we learn about the coastal plains here, you make these the coastal plains, if you can easily understand, here the Western Coastal Plains, and here you write the Eastern Coastal Plains. Okay. Now location first, it is divided into how many parts? That is western coastal plains. The coastal plains of India are divided into two parts, that is western and the eastern coastal plains, and this can be divided, these western coastal plains, it can be divided how many parts? 3 parts, and the eastern coastal plains, that is divided into the 2 parts. That what is the part name? Gujarat coast, Konkan coast, and Malabar coast. And these eastern coastal plains, this is the western coastal plains, and the eastern coastal plains is divided into the 2 parts, that is the northern part and the southern part. The northern part with, yes, what we can say? We can say that the northern Sikars, and the southern part, that is called the, what is the southern part called? The Coromandel coast. Now this is the part. Now location, where it lies? The western coastal plain lies, where it lies? Lies between Arabian Sea. It lies between the Arabian Sea and the Western Ghats. And the Western Ghats. And what are the location of the eastern coastal plain? It lies between Bay of Bengal and the eastern Ghats. Now it stretches. Stretches means कहाँ तक ये फैला हुआ है? Here it is stretched from Gujarat to Kerala. This is the western coastal plains, and it is stretched from the eastern coastal plains. It is stretched from West Bengal to Tamil Nadu. These whole coastal plains, this is stretched from Gujarat to West Bengal in the east. Okay? So these are the locations, okay, that you can easily understand about the western coastal plains and the eastern coastal plains. What you learn in this video about the coastal plain, and these coastal plains is divided into the 2 parts, the western coastal plain and the eastern coastal plains. Here the western coastal plains, it will further divided into 3 parts, that is Gujarat coast, Konkan coast, Malabar coast. The eastern coastal plains divided into 2 parts, the northern part and the southern part. The northern part we write the northern Sikars, and the southern part, that is the Coromandel coast. Now location, it lies between the Western Ghat and the Arabian Sea. It lies between, and the eastern coastal plains, it lies between the Eastern Ghat and the Bay of Bengal, and it stretches from West Bengal to Tamil Nadu, and this Western Ghat is stretched from Gujarat to Kerala. Okay, and the whole coastal plains is stretched from Gujarat to West Bengal. I hope you understand the coastal plain very well. You have to see video again